Breaking news: Kuki KNF Millitants IED plan toubada ani sire ahum na sokle. Ngasi chaorakna pung ani makai taba matamdani hairi. Joujangtek khulda Kuki masen IED plan toubada soidana pokhaibadagi khudakta KNF ki militant ani sire ahum na sokle. Soklaba Kuki KNF terrorist ahum adu churachanpur medical treatment gi damak pukhre hairi. Kuki Chairmanna NAGA micham taruk hatkhiba amadi makhoigi body-singdu makak kaklaga hatkhi haibadu hatkhi haina yajakre.
Joujangtek, he is the treasurer Kuki Council, and Mr. Lin Mate, he is the vice chairman of Kuki Council. Well, today I'd like to thank the press today. Yes, I agreed that the Kuki has made a great mistake in killing the 6 Chairmanna civilians, which is made out of emotion. That I really criticize it. But however, the world, a country has labeled a Kuki